Hi everyone, today I want to tell you a little bit about this back basket. In Jarai we call it Hơkă. This is a small one. Some of it's much bigger and they're much taller as well. This is a small one. Mostly it's made for a child. Typically girls are the one that carry these kind of back baskets. As you can see here, most of it is made out of bamboo. The bottom, which is the base, is made out of wood. It is very sturdy so that when you place it on a surface, it doesn't fall or flip over. And these are known as taloi, or you can call them straps. The straps or taloi are made out of plastic here, the black ones, but up here are made out of rattan. It's kind of like a bamboo. When they make this thing, they slice big pieces of bamboo into very small, tiny strings. When they make them, they start right here at the bottom. It was all the pieces of bamboo are weaved together like on a flat surface, and then after that they kind of fold it up and they use these two sticks to support the bottom so that the square area would stay in place. And then as you can see, they're like vertical bamboos but also horizontal as well. They look more like string woven together to gradually build all the way up. In the middle here, each string here has different colors, black and red. These are just for the design. If you go all the way up, this is another piece of bamboo. These are pieces of bamboo which they dyed or painted to make them look black. And as you can see, this one is very small. Some of them are bigger, others might be really tall. They're made based on the height and the size of the person that's going to carry this one, right? So like this particular one was made for a girl for sure. By the way, usually men do not carry hơkă or back basket. Mostly back basket are used by women. So in the past, when these women went to their farm, they would carry this on their back. They can put all kinds of things in here. They may put like food in here, some smaller tools. If they are in the forest, let's say they are picking mushrooms or they go out for gathering, right, edible plants, or even small animals, they would put them here. Could be mushrooms, bamboos, vegetables, tubers, or potatoes, bananas, fruit, you name it, they can put in here. And sometimes they even put like small animals if they hunt, right? Maybe crabs, shrimps, fish, different things in here. And they may put some rice too. These can be used to carry rice, let's say from the farm to their house or from their house to someone's house. Interestingly, I just found here, this is actually rice. The owner of this basket put in here to save as seeds for the next season, planting season. Anyway, I hope you find this video to be interesting. Jarai all over Vietnam and Jarai in Cambodia, they all use hơkă or this particular back basket. Again, they're mostly used by women, like girls, young girls, middle-aged girl, and elderly women. But sometimes you see Jarai men would carry these as well. And they are very popular items all over Vietnam and in Cambodia, and some Jarai in the United States also use them as well. And today, hơkă are also used for performances. When these girls perform our traditional dance or some kind of move, they wear these baskets. You may have seen them on other YouTube videos and so on. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope you like learning about Hơkă. If you like this video, please share the video, click that like button, and also comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.